Hello, my name is Stacy, and I'm currently a student here at the Cizik School of Nursing, UTHealth Houston. I am a fourth year in the BSN-DNP program, and I'm specializing in psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner. And I believe that you should join UT because it is an amazing, reputable program that offers you tons of opportunities and helps you grow as a person. You are in the Med Center, which is a great location to begin with. You are around educators that have amazing long lengths of experience that can help you grow and have a lot of stories to teach and are eager to teach. Our educators are so sweet and really love their job here. You network with a bunch of people through events and seminars that helps you grow your own network, for example, so you're ready to tackle on when you graduate. The staff here is all very helpful. Everyone ends up being friends and close-knit together in the program, and it's just a lot to offer overall here. There's a great location, you're in the Med Center, so there is just plenty of things that you can do at UT to help you grow as a person, and it helps you be a great provider because this program really does teach you everything that you need to know. And by the time you graduate, you feel ready, you feel prepared, you're more comfortable on taking on patients and being on a good provider. So I definitely recommend coming to the Cizik School of Nursing, UTHealth Houston. It's a great program, tuition's amazing, so I really don't think you regret it.